Use the sleeves of my sweater. Let's have an adventure. Head in the clouds, but my gravity center. Touch my neck, and I'll touch yours. You and those little high-waisted shorts. So as the hours pass, I will let you know that I need to ask before I'm alone. How it feels to rest on your patient lips till eternal bliss. I'm so glad to know as the hours pass, I will let you know that I need to ask before I'm alone. How it feels to rest on your patient lips till eternal bliss. I'm so glad to know. May just take your breath away. I don't mind if it's not much to say. Sometimes the silence guides our minds. Move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to race the minute that my lifetime meets your waist. And then I watch your face, put my finger on your tongue, cause you love the taste, yeah. These hearts adore everyone, the other beats hard as far. Inside this place is warm, outside it starts to pour. Coming down, one love, 2 mouths, one love, one house. No shirt, no blouse, just us, you find out. Nothing that I wanna tell you about, no, no, no. As the hours pass, I will let you know that I need to ask before I'm alone. How it feels to rest on your patient lips till eternal bliss. I'm so glad to know. As the hours pass, I will let you know that I need to ask before I'm alone. How it feels to rest on your patient lips till eternal bliss. I'm so glad to know. The night will hold us close and the stars will guide us home. I've been waiting for this moment, we're finally alone. I turn to ask the question, so anxious, my thoughts. Your lips are soft like winter, in your passion I was lost. Cause it's just as the hours pass, I will let you know that I need to ask before I'm alone. How it feels to rest on your patient lips till eternal bliss. I'm so glad to know. As the hours pass, I will let you know that I need to ask before
Big Mitch, thank you, smile. Keep being a DJ, I'll keep tipping. Let's check in on the dot trade for fun.
I mean, this is terrible. Like, I don't know what to do. My other mic's not working. This is like my webcam mic. How terrible does this sound? It's not. It doesn't is. Okay? It's not is. It isn't right now. It does not sound good. What? Dude. This is what happened. I literally left. Yeah, I did get 2 new monitors. But that should not affect anything. This isn't working. Like, this is unbelievable, dude. Very frustrating. Just random, of course. Something that's never happened to me is happening. No sense being made. Crazy, man. I don't even know how I'll fix it. No clue, dude, because there's nothing wrong. So anyway, hey traders, welcome to the stream, the post-tornado stream where went on that chase, man, and I couldn't see at the time because I was driving and having to navigate roads while looking at the map, also looking at the radar, the reflectivity as well as the velocity to see this thing, to try to track it. And I couldn't see it at night. But looking back on all the footage, it was there.
New mic fund. Let's go.
Surge, thanks for the 10. Yeah, it looks like it's going to have to be. And TSL8, thank you for 1337. I don't even know where to put my mouth. That's what she said. Thank you for the 1337, 690. Surge, thanks for the 10. Dude, we had, while I was streaming, and I don't know why it didn't work, but Vaco Ventures said, like, this is when I was chasing the storm. He said, hey Mitch, this is T-Bone Lucchese. I wasn't trying to be rude that day, blah, blah. I was meaning You're consistent. Okay, I pass you do. Much respect, King. Steve said that. Then he said, can you look at Tornado Coin USD when you get the time? Thanks, T-Bone Lucchese. So thank you for the Tornado chasing $30 super chats total. Thank you. All right, anyway. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things because you know how it is. Long weekend. And oh my God, dude, the story though. Oh, gosh dang, man, I want to do story time with y'all because it was like very, very rich in story, the things that happened. But anyway, here's Nvidia, all-time highs, taking over the world. You know, that'd be casually pretty much at all-time highs after hours, up 0.78%, gapping up, destroying shorts. In the split is on the 7th of June, so we have like 7 trading days until that event. And so you just gotta wonder, are we gonna get 7 days of pumpage until that occurs? Or are we gonna, is it just gonna be like, all right, we're gonna sell off tomorrow and pump the next day, whatever. This is just absolutely incredible event going on Nvidia. Nothing in the world competing right now, and the number that you should all like mark down, $1,223. Because if Bitcoin sees that in the next 7 days, it will be matching Apple's total market cap. So if it's like $1,223.01, then that would mean that Nvidia would be the #1 market cap asset in the entire world, supplanting Apple and Microsoft. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, the Jenner thing on, that's so weird. Push Nest coins, that's where they are in their life. My God, they have fallen far from grace. That man, my God, that mentally ill man. Sound like I'm streaming the 90s. And y'all telling me that the microphone's fine. It's not fine. This is obnoxious, dude. Ugh. What am I supposed to do? Don't even know how to fix it. It's fine. It's fine, man. I'm not using. I'm using a webcam mic, like it's 2018. It's first stream ever or something, right? Okay, so that's it, man. That's the stream. Nvidia is the king. Everything else is second. All right. Here's Bitcoin. Dreaming. Okay, I had a dream last night that I was in the ocean as a dolphin, and Bitcoin's flag broke upward and matched Nvidia in price action after the break, where we'd just be sitting casually in the 80,000s range if that came to pass. So hopefully the dream comes true. It hasn't yet, but I'll tell you, earlier today at the Nader, it did not look good, man. It was like, oh boy, 67,200, they're breaking the support, and then the recovery, and now we're in power hour, and looks like buyers are gonna defend it once again. They defended it on the 23rd, the 24th, and now the 28th. You keep this up, man. Sellers just gonna be like, we tried. We literally gave it the college try thrice. And there's just too much demand. They keep propping it up. Pension funds. Okay, so apparently they came out with they have a new one. Gonna have to go nip that in the bud. Yep, Joker laughing. Thanks for the 50 cents, dude. Thank you, dude. All right, so yeah, I mean, you got the bear shark completing and reacting wonderfully, and you figured a bullish 5-0 is probably at 65K, and that would be fine. Yeah, and like all this is incredible, almost goes without saying, incredible for altcoins that have these impeccable setups, harmonics, type 2 returns, bullish back tests, double bottoms, divergence, you know, and they've been there for a while now, just waiting. And then like what happened this weekend, Engine coin making multi-month highs. Gotta keep the Joker. Okay, I'll keep the Joker, but it's gonna cost you if you want it, and that means it'll never be played ever again after I change it and re-enable it. Okay, it's done. Joker's back on the table, you Tangia freaks. Yeah, Chewbacca was by far the most obscene one known to man, or to Wookiees. Thank you. All right, so yeah, this is kind of incredible defense today. Once again, 3 in a row, or three now, and just let's go to Ethereum that also just been doing really well. I mean, look at this thing. Yesterday hit its highest price since March 14th. Today taking a break. Who cares? Gotta love how they back tested that key level May 23rd, and you're on deck for 4,020.
Is that a joint?
4,037, and then pretty much 52-week highs, multi-year highs on deck for Ethereum after that ETF approval, kind of out of left field a little bit. I don't think anyone really expected it to be so soon.
What they need to mimic a fraction of our power.
Thank you for the power. Yeah, pretty much. Hot big tech in crypto. You're not gonna beat it. Nope, you're not gonna beat it in yield. I mean, it's cool that some of these, I mean, you know, some of these old guard stocks might be showing good setups at 886, but they're never gonna compete with tech, man. So, oh, this looks great. Nearing an 886 from this high to low though. Could react, could consolidate, but things are looking real nice on your second largest altcoin ever. Sorry.
Since we started out on Bitcoin, let's go further into crypto.
Thank you, Maxine. Could someone get Maxine in jail? Thank you. And all the others. You know, she's one of many of the machine of incompetence and competence with no accountability. People that have sold our country out, and they are printing so much money. You know, we gotta say thanks. At least, you know, you're here, and that means you are cognizant of what's going on. So you might be able to take advantage of what's coming in the next 5 years total, you know, like till 2030, and then it's over. We don't know. Then we'll probably have a civil war and a divorce from, you know, half the country. But yeah, we got a chance here. We got a golden opportunity. We've had one, right? I mean, it's been going on a while now, right? But we're not in mania yet. So we're in an uptrend that has not yet reached mania. Like the really stupid, dumb money celebrities. I mean, Caitlyn Jenner is a trans, mentally ill person, okay? That's not a real celebrity. I'm talking when Tom Brady start coming back around. You know, you pick it. It'll probably be, you know, the Chiefs quarterback this time who starts, you know, shilling for exchanges or pushing Bitcoin with laser eyes. That has not happened yet. And so be grateful because it's coming. And when it does, the yield that, if you are allocated properly, the yield that you will receive is going to be life-changing. So you must be prepared. Don't get shaken out. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows for a very long time. We're not done yet. All right, Jonathan, did you see the tornado this weekend? Holy crap.
I like turtles.
You see what happens, Larry?
Pretty cool stuff on Turtle. The consolidation structure that's down sloping was breached, violated, re-breached, and is kind of being back tested today. And 2.577 trillion also being regarded as resistance, and that's a big deal, man. You understand it's not a joke or an opinion. Whoa, 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 hold on. See, this is what happens, man. All my stuff. Give me a second. I can't trust my stuff when I change up. Gotta look for it. Hold on. Where is it? Okay. Okay. Whoa, what the? Okay, this is what happens. Thank you. A little entertainment while I reconfigure my totals. Yeah, I'm on 1080p anymore. I'm on big boy. Alright. So as I was saying, nice breakout.
What the is this piece of?
It's not. It's not. It's totals, and you can see it broken. I don't know why it's so tough to see that. See that trend line, 2.577 trillion, right there. If they can break it, you should have a pretty clean shot for 2.9 trillion and multi-year highs on total market cap. But you just have to at least squint your eyes a little bit at the XABCD here. That's an 886 from this high to low. I mean, it's a perfect bear shark pattern, just like on Bitcoin. And it's just, the question is, how deep will it retrace? Will there be much of a reaction? So far, it hasn't been too bad. How bad is it then? Was it a 382? It was very close to a 3. It was a 372. Let's just say that. Okay. So 37% retrace from the highs, and you thought, I mean, you figure if it's going to be a bullish 5.0, it would be a 50% retrace. It would be a little bit lower. So just right now, all's going okay. I'm in the chat for crypto doing things, kind of. All right. Perfect timing, yeah, exactly. Let's go to Nvda. Wow. Look at this thing. All right, you got that symmetrical triangle that was broken out, but there was overhead resistance from history. Very real. Absorption of remaining supply still with accumulation, and that supply line is now being regarded as a demand line. May 23rd, 24th, and 28th today, kind of like Bitcoin on the daily. So see if it can hold. Even if it doesn't, it's pretty much fine. But this is what they're doing. This is what CZ and his gang of thugs are doing. They're holding it up. Bullish breakout, bullish back test, and that is all we have for now. Excellent. Let's move on to Solana. That's really just been kind of ugh for the past week. Topped out May 21st, and it's just been never go down since then. But there was a small engulfing candle yesterday. Still a valid engulfing candle today, 31 minutes to the close, to the daily candle close, and then that 171.34 level is just being tested. It's a inflection point from history. See if they break it. This is an active trade setup that has not yet hit its target. Target would be 196, I believe. You just got to be patient. You got to wait. That's how these things
Mitch,
are, man. It's
good to have you back. Take a look at Metisud on Qcoin on the daily and weekly time frames.
The music
Thanks.
should not be banging.
People happy, people happy, people happy.
The answer is yes. Crypto Bravo, thank you for the 20. We'll look at Metsi, or Metis. On KuCoin. Yes. People happy indeed. We'll look. Okay, so just be patient. That's all I can say. This is the dragon. And it's up, but it's not done. I think you'll get all-time highs. If the Ethereum ETF got approved, it's only a matter of time before Solana gets its own ETF and you get it. Okay, very nice. One of the best. Solana technically was incredible, and you were able to manage risk. You were able to identify a structured development that gave you a higher probability chance than 50% of up next, and look where we are. It's nice. Okay, Sol, and then you know it, man. XRP. I just don't know what to tell you. It's holding above 50 cents, which is really important, but not much interest. I'm sure if Bitcoin goes higher, XRP will go higher, but barely higher. Remember, it's trading at the same price it was trading at 7-8 years ago. Talking about the exact same price since December of 2017. Hype in the chat for XRP. Cool, dude. Great. Tired of looking at it. And I'll tell you one thing. Shiba Inu coin. This is set up, dude. Super set up. Way higher prices. I mean, they're just absorbing supply at an overhead resistance from history. It's up almost 5% today. Man, the price act, first off, you've got this huge pump on high volume. You got a really nice pullback. And now you've got these key levels that were defended once, then twice. Bullish pin bar, by the way. And then locally, you can see one low, the second low. So it's like a double bottom, right? One bottom and then the second bottom. But on the second bottom, you've got that really strong signature of confirmation. One and then two here. So, and now you're rallying off of that. That leads you to believe soon they'll absorb the supply that remains of 2007, 26, 28, 63. And once that breaks, boom, I think it'll be probably a centerpiece of conversation type of day when it breaks that and goes to 3,555, repeating, of course. Shiba looking nice.
Hero was thinking about how to have sushi with ketchup and Robert De Niro.
Better worry about staying out of jail, because these satanic people who stole power in 2020, look what they're doing. Chat, you see it. Is there any more doubt? I mean, at this point, these people are evil and deserve everything that will eventually come to them. These are the people that want to tax unrealized gains. These are the people that have opened the border to 10 million third world migrants, can't speak English, don't know anything, are overwhelming our social services, and will collapse it. But that is what Cloud Pivot is, the geopolitical strategy, so they can collapse the system and usher in a totalitarian CCP type state. Surveillance, social credit scores, CBDCs. You saw it. You saw one side completely voting against banning central bank digital currencies, like almost every single one. So you know it's coming. You're being replaced. I'm just saying, they're printing the money, they're laundering it, they're using the taxpayer money and debt to destroy the system. Because that money being printed, going through Ukraine, being laundered, going to all these non-governmental organizations, and guess what? They're all being funded by you, and these NGOs are giving these third world migrants all this money, like $3,000, $1,700, whatever, being flown around the country, bussed around the country, taken over public service buildings to house them everywhere in the country, just about. My mic is completely broken. There's nothing I can do, man. This is the best it's going to be today until I figure it out. Never in a million years did I think replacing monitors would destroy my mic. Brad, half the country doesn't make gains on the financial markets. So they would be happy because remember, everything, what's being taught in these, I mean, it's K through college now, is if you are successful and you make money, you are an oppressor. If you don't make money, if you're in student debt, hundreds of thousands of dollars for underwater basket weaving, and you graduate and you can't get a job, it's because you are oppressed by those evil capitalists who make money building stuff. I know, I haven't tried turning it off and on it again. Let me try that. Hold on. And the issue is it's so difficult to get to it. Oh my God, the power. I don't even know. I don't even turn this crap off. All right. Oh my God, I think that works. Maybe? Oh my God, dude, it works. Let's see. Let's see. Hold on. Oh my God, thank you so much. What am I doing? Not turning it off and on again. How dumb. That worked.
Hype in the chat!
Hello? Hello? Is this thing on? Do I sound okay? Nice. Boomer moment. Yeah, that's right. Holy crap. Y'all get what I'm saying though? So it's like, all right, yeah, we're gonna make money. We're on Shiba Inu, by God. Okay? Shiba Inu about to go nut. Dude, this is what's happening. You understand? And they'll break it, and it's gonna be, you're gonna make some money. You gotta make some money, man. We gotta keep up with inflation. We gotta use S coins to do it. I'm not giving advice, Jared. That you say whatever you want, man. I'm not giving advice. I turn my live stream on with my microphone and my webcam, and people just voluntarily show up. If they want to be here, they're here. If not, whatever. Go watch Badlands Chugs. That's fine. I'm not giving advice. I'm just talking, man. Just doing my thing. Just live streaming. Crazy, right? So Shiba on deck for Moon soon. But then we look at something like Loop Ring. Can you not taste what's coming with Loop Ring? It's like trade setup, right? Like a newer trade setup. This one's impeccable. I mean, are you ready? Are you ready for Loop Ring? What are you going to do when Loop Ring's at 43 cents? What are you going to do, man? What are you going to do when Loop Ring probably sees 55.5 cents? These things are here. The comet, the crypto comets, our naked eyes are able to see them right now. So it's like, time to take a shot or not. And if you don't, you better not show up here when these things go up 20% a day and then they continue onward to hit the top of these harmonics. Don't want to hear it. I'll have nothing to say to you. I'll laugh at you. Loop Ring, having a good day. Not many things having good days today. You know, this is kind of hilarious. It's like a joke. You know, these newer coins are trash, man, outside of like Pepe and Harry Potter coin. I mean, what's DFY? It's a loser. It's a joke, man. Illiquid crap. But somehow, I mean, this was a trade setup and it was perfect. Just range bound trade. But here we are with the harmonic framework, type 1 and like type 2. Like we saw on like some of the altcoins at the very, very bottom. So it's cool to see it up 11.55% with an engulfing candle, whatever. It'll be the highest close since May 3rd or April 30th, whatever. It's kind of interesting, right? I don't know. I'm just looking at it because it's up today. Uniswap up 1.33%. This one's front running.
all the similar structures we're seeing across the market, right? Put it in type 1, type 2, and then blew through some resistance and pretty much kind of ran to 1193. I mean, that's an overhead resistance. I don't know if that plotted. Oh, it's just the candle high close from April 3rd. Yeah, your dispersion levels. I think eventually you might pull back 10, 20%. It doesn't even matter. As long as the pullback, when it occurs, there's higher lows than the previous lows put in. Doesn't matter. Highest low of uptrend. Great. But then after that, eventually, you know, maybe August, September, November, whatever, October, $19+ on Uniswap. OXT, another one, another beautiful setup, man. This is like, I think, the most recent trade setup. Engulfing candle yesterday, follow through today. So that's really good to see after an engulfing candle, always getting a higher close than the previous close. Right at that 200 moving average, you are primed. Just primed for 13 cents. Primed for 16+ cents. Probably, I mean, going to take out the highs and make the highest high after this. So we're just waiting on Bitcoin, kind of. Altcoin's looking good, man. Type 1, type 2. Oh, man. Yeah, that was some really, really nice divergence. I love that rule of 3 looking A. Look at that. My God.
Let's do it again. CWIFC whiffing to the moon.
Crypto 2 times. He's going to go get the cryptos. We'll look at cat with hat. Thank you so much. We'll do it. I swear. We might look at dog with hat. I don't know. Dog with hat wasn't really showing any structures that look good or anything, you know. Pepe was cool. Pepe's the Kang meme right now. So higher prices in store for us on OXT. Up today. Not many up today again. Mostly everything down. But if you look at some assets that are down. Oh no, what am I going to do? Algorand, one of the most incredible setups. Because you can have like uptrends and then the M shape completes and then type 2 returns occur. But the most impeccable ones are the ones where it just happens to be where they complete those harmonic structures. There's an inflection point from history that just is there. And they confirm it as support. And you see it, you locally have that double
Another
bottom that
beautiful
is
day,
so
Mitch. Can you
strong,
look
so much
with me?
demand, the sellers could
Not
not
for a
test
trade setup,
16.69
but
cents. And
possible further
you're waiting for
continuation.
27 cents. We can look at Near, Satan Slayer. Thank you so much. Something happened with Near. Like Grayscale Trust is going to have a Near and another S coin. So I think that's what's going to happen, dude. They'll do it.
Hey Mitch, it might finally be time for Hood to break out like the Jesus. Stay safe Mitchie, those tornadoes are no joke. Bless up.
Well, I mean, it might be a Hood breakout like Jesus. Well, maybe, dude, maybe. Look, dude, if you don't know. Give me a sec. Let's pull it up real quick. Yep. Maybe not. Dang, dude, I was rolling. I was throwing down, dude. Why is this so difficult, man? I'm just trying to show you all this. Okay. Oh, freaking chorus, man. What a joke. I will show y'all. I'm sorry. Blame Greg for this interruption, okay? Because I just want to, it needs to be shown. Sorry, I got to do this too because it's been a while. So,
No way. No way. What is this garbage? There's a little kid in the background going crazy.
there it is. Okay. So here it is. This is ultimately what I couldn't really see in front of me. I knew
the wheel of NATO's, Mitch.
All right, here it is. This is what I saw. A massive wedge, or I couldn't really see it, but knew I was on it. And you can see right there, that is massive. And it turns out to be an EF3 tornado, caused catastrophic damage to multiple places in Arkansas. Rogers, primarily, some of Decatur. And yeah, it was really tough, man. I don't know if I'll ever want to chase in Arkansas. Like, once I get to Arkansas, I stop. Even East Oklahoma is just so garbage. You can't see anything. There's trees everywhere. There's garbage roads. There's turns everywhere. But do you see it, chat? Do you see? Scary stuff. So you brought it up. There you go, man. So Algorand, again, you want to talk about if we compare tornadoes to trade setups, this thing is rotating. There's debris on the ground. The only thing that hasn't happened with this system would be a touchdown, a confirmed touchdown, and you can see it with the naked eye. But it's pretty much going and it's pretty much touching down. Funnel cloud is there. You got all the makings. So just patience on Algorand, higher prices. There are others. Remember, just keep you reminded of those to provide value to you because your time's limited, and I'm here to try to help. Filecoin, I know it's down like 3%. I know it's like failure to launch. We're waiting, but this is what they've been doing. What about here? What about from August to October of 2023, 2 months? They made you wait. And if you didn't wait, if you lacked the patience, you didn't get to win money. So we're just in that same situation as 2023 on the Type 2, making the highest lows of entire uptrend pretty much. Patience is all I can say. Invincible God!
Super chatted $73.38. Hey Mitch, can you look at Horizon/US? Thanks
Horizon,
a lot.
is that the
Can we
little
take a
brother
look
of
at STX/USD?
I have the chat for Vincent. Unix Gaming, thank you for the 20. Super chat. Love, man. Let me see, I gotta hit the love button on the... Okay, I got it for all of them. Nice. Yeah, man, patience on file. What about Hot? Hot's another one that's on deck for great things. I mean, you look at this and it's like, how can you just deny its existence? How can you not maybe want to take a shot on one of these? Or maybe all of them. Up to you, really, how you're going to play it. But it's sitting there. Bullish and golden candle yesterday that recaptured the 200 simple moving average on breakout watch, mega breakout watch on Hot. 2.6 penny, 2.6 tenths of 1 penny is that resistance. And once they break that, oh my God, it's up 15% today, 20% today. I can't believe this. What say you? Are you not entertained?
I once had a problem with Caps Connect named Hillary. It was super gay.
I don't know what that means, but thank you so much, dude. Hot's not thinking about it. Hot has everything but the tornado touchdown. That's where we are. You got crazy rotation. You got a huge supercell, 50,000 feet in the air. It's happening. Sirens are going off. It is tornado warned. That's where Hot is. And once it plays out, carnage. But for bears. Okay? And then we had others too, like Engine that got wrecked today, down about 5%. But who cares? What did it do today? Engine saw multi-month highs today. And is now just kind of back testing the 200 simple moving average. After such a mega engulfing candle yesterday, doing pretty much what none of the others were doing. Up 33% from the entry of the setup, from the tweet. I tweeted this, man. Tweet it. So we're waiting on 47 cents and beyond. The only way these can really play out is Bitcoin's kind of got to do its thing. Like where maybe it just keeps going sideways like this, but we want it to stay elevated. What you really want, man, I'll just say this on the 4 hour. It would be a dream of dreams, okay? I'm not saying it's going to happen. This would be a dream of dreams if they were doing 1 and 2. They were violating the key level. They recaptured it, and now they are reconfirming its validity as support on an insignificant time scale, the 4 hour. That's where we are. What happened? Oh, yeah. Sure. New Discord link. I'm in the chat. Omar, good idea. He said, look at DOT. I'm not looking at it because you requested it. I'm just looking at it because we are just kind of reconvening after a few day hiatus and checking on the great, freaking amazing setups.
Hope everything is well, Mitch. Roll Tide. Can you check out $Ank?
Samir, thank you so much for the $20 super chat. We will certainly look at Anchor. I don't have that on my watch list. Maybe I should add it. Maybe it's got a good setup too. Okay, so DOT is amongst the Incredibles, down 3.4%. I know it sucks today, but please understand the grand scheme of what's happening. Yeah, right below that 200, but they're trying like this slanted inverse head and shoulders that is confirmed with a breakout and now potentially a back test today. I mean, I think this thing's fine until it falls below 670, 668. So it's like, what are you worried about? Everything is beautiful on DOT, massive upside. You gotta wait, and I think eventually you'll see 1040. Barring acts of Bitcoin collapsing or anything stupid. But man, this is just beautiful. Okay. So there are other ones, out there that are doing things. Let's real quick though change gears and we go across the markets. We'll get to the requests, but let's just look at the spider. Take a gander. Very elevated, up 0.07% flat today. Same price it was trading at 2 weeks ago. It's hanging around. Pulling a Beetlejuice. $524.
You talking to me. 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 You talking to me.
That Trump might need his medication. Thank you. Thanks so much. All right. Yes, the spider. Hanging in there. Hanging around. Sorry. Dow Jones, though, just can't pull it together. Continuing to sell off after the double tap. But what happens? At some point, you think the Dow Jones is going to induct Nvidia into it. I remember when Apple got added to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I think it was 120 a share or something like that. Some things happened after. Okay, so Dow Jones just kind of performing blah, but then we look at the Nasdaq, and you could imagine all-time highs, not just intraday, but on the close. Jesus chimes. $17,000, first time ever. Remember the bullish Harambe? Big tech. Yeah. We'll say
Technology. What is that all about? Is it good or is it whack?
completely good, mate. Highest daily candle close literally ever. Up 0.38%. Thank you for Cat Banana, dude. Thank you, dude. Yep, that's it. Beautiful. All right, so we looked at, let's look at IWM, which is like down today, down 0.27% after hours. I just don't care. Like, I'm just not, because like these things exist and it's like, cool, I don't really care where they go because I'm not going to own them because other assets will outperform them forever. So cool. Even if it goes on a run and runs to 230, it's garbage. It doesn't matter. Other things will outperform the Russell 2000. If, let's just say tomorrow, it's going to run up 12%. Who cares? Well, 12%. You know what these tech stocks are doing? 12% every 3 days. It's just whatever, man. We're in, got to run with it. Run with the winners. Yeah, so, I do kind of want to look at like the bigger ones, but maybe we'll knock out the requests and then we'll go to the big tech stocks. But like, let me just real quick, let's look at gold that might be putting in the highest low of the entire uptrend. It's going to run and we're going to make a higher high and we'll get 3 peaks. Might get ourselves some sort of pseudo 3 drives, but man, a lot of demand on your metals. Gold's good, but then silver better. Wow, man. Guess what happened on silver? You don't even know it, but silver made the highest daily candle close in 11 plus years. Today. Silver, remember, 36 and 50 targets. 37 in target. 50 are targets. Because of the monthly harmonic, the dream. Kappa, after hitting all-time highs recently, trying to pivot. Bullish engulfing candle will follow through, and that's it. You know, I think they're probably going to test $5 again. If they break $5, no more $5 foot longs. But maybe price discovery could be a rip and roaring type thing. Don't sleep on Kappa. And then we'll look at platinum because, you know, that was a technical setup for the ages. You know, after a little pullback, you know, had a really nice rally, and that was your highest close since May 17th. And that happened to be the highest close in years. And I think 1,182 eventually. I know you're going to test these overhead resistances at 1,117, 1,145. But yeah, I think this is like probably going to do the thing. Could be way higher on metals. They already valuing and destroying purchasing power, fiat, they're printing it. You have to be cognizant and aware of that. It's like, how are we going to get a stock market crash? Like it's like valuations, throw them out the window. This whole like crazy money printing thing is different than what we were seeing before 2008. It's so different. So you can't really look at it the same. So platinum higher, copper, gold, silver, big tech, crypto. Yeah. Screw everything else pretty much. Insurance companies. Okay. Some you know, the crypto miners, some gold, silver miners. Yeah. Orange juice futures, Jesus chimes, all-time highs once again. How many days are they gonna freaking do it? We did not see $500. Let's have our alert set up when it does see 500, which we know it will. We will all rejoice together. Go buy your orange juice so we can drink the orange juice when the alert goes off. And it's like, ding, 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 500. Drink my orange juice. It's crazy, dude. Absolutely insane. Cocoa futures, you know, had a maybe a blow off top or whatever, but it's recovering. It's kind of rallying. Not a big deal. Showing the first level of positive momentum today since April 25th. So you got that going for you. Whatever. No big deal. Feeder futures. Cattle feeder futures. What cattles consume. All-time highs. You're going to eat the bugs. You won't eat the bugs if you are participating in financial instruments that are outrunning inflation. But, I mean, you're going to be paying more for your steaks. This is not a joke, man. Please be aware.
Re-debt. If we owe $30 trillion, plus interest, why not devalue the debt with inflation? Why is that bad?
That's kind of what they're doing, I guess. They're trying to inflate away the debt. Yeah, but like, nah, I don't know. Because interest rates are so high that in order to service the debt, they have to print more money. So we're in a spiral. Like we've crossed the event horizon of the debt spiral, the black hole. I don't really know what you do. You drop interest rates and then inflation goes mega super. Yeah, there's no real... if there was an easy way of an actual fix, it'd be probably happening. There is no fix. There is no... I think they left interest rates too... What was it? Too high for too long or too low for too long, you know? Oh, by the way, there it is. Look on the 8s. Oh my God, man. Look on the lates. New daily candle for Bitcoin. Let's just go to it real quick. We'll get these requests. Thank y'all for the contributions to this 100% crowdsourced stream. We'll look at them in a second. Here it was. Bearish engulfing, bearish nothing burger. Okay, I think that's astounding that they defended that today. Might mean nothing. We might just dump, but what we're hoping for. Okay, this is the hopium. The spring, the back test of spring on the 4-hour. Give me a sec. Too low for too long, not high enough. Either way, man, it's foobarred. Completely foobarred. All right, there's your Bitcoin. That's your close. Fantastic. There was another. I just want to look at a couple more. Wanted to look at coffee futures because coffee really doing things, man. Look at that. Woo, recapturing that 220 level. And I'm thinking 252 at some point. Got to recapture that high from April 18th, but man, they're doing it. I mean, this is a newly established uptrend, and it began with a bullish shark pattern. Nice. Look at the triple divergence. Yep, it ushered in the reversal, and yeah, you're gonna go higher. You're gonna pay for coffee, man. You're gonna pay. Yeah, those were the notable, commodities today. Orange juice and cattle feeder futures. So, let's take a gander at those requests and just knock them out. The first one. Tornado coin, huh? TS Elliott, yep, dot. There you go, man. Boom, we looked at dot. Metis for Crypto Bravo. On KuCoin. right, he said KuCoin. I'm not really that excited about this. I mean, it's like, whatever, dude. Is that what they did? Wow, they did do that, didn't they? Look at this. That high from 2022 was back tested one day, April 12th, and that was it. Dang. I look at this and I just am not impressed. It doesn't have the framework we're looking for. Okay, it's in an uptrend, I guess, but like, there's no value here at all. Value. I've shown you value. I've shown you what you want to look for in an uptrend, and this is not giving us that, and that's fine. It doesn't mean it's going down. That doesn't mean I'm saying it's going down next. It's like you just have no edge on the market. You have no edge on this asset right now, right? It's just, okay, 1 and 2, and it rallied, and now it's elevated, and there's no structure that sticks out, and there's no real levels that, no. I would say no. I would just hit the space bar. But that's going to be the case for almost every asset you look at randomly. You're going to look at a random asset and nah. Chances are no. Chances are you cannot manage your risk appropriately. And at the same time of not being able to manage your risk appropriately, the structured developments that give us that mathematical edge are not there. Okay? Metis, don't really care. Flip your coin, it goes up. Flip your coin, it goes down. Don't really care. All right. Thank you for the contribution, though. All right, cat with hat. God, dude, cat with hat looking hot, dude. Look at this, dude. Yeah. Uptrending, anything above 9 1,000ths of a penny, I guess, is fine. Really, anything above 5.7 1,000ths of a penny is awesome. Go with God. Go with meme coins. See you at 10 100ths or something of a penny. I don't know. It's worthless, but yeah, this is looking okay. Actually looking fine. Bullish engulfing candle was confirmed. Nice. I think we had, what was it, the 4-hour, the 12-hour had an edge. There was a hidden bullish evidence. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I forgot. Well, duh. Are you kidding me? Bro, come on. Remember last time we looked at it literally on stream? Do you not remember? Here it is. What do you want from me? There's nothing else I can do. But the day you request it, there is a structure development, and it looks good. And then, what was the price? The date, 8255. So for 8255, cat with hat went up 146% since this structure development was identified and presented to ye on this stream live. But also, people were pinged. Everyone in the Patreon was pinged on this. And it said, do you want to see? Do you want to see? What the? Oh. Here it is. Look. We can't. Cat with hat. At everyone. And literally, it says moon soon. Moon soon. That's like tornado emergency.
God bless you.
The highest
Can
rating.
We all look at one?
Tornado
Harmony,
emergency or
USDT
moon soon.
Binance. Is there
We have a
room for
large
trade
tornado
setup
on the
too?
ground.
Thanks.
On cat with hat. Get wrecked in a very positive way. Who cares now? Who cares about cat with hat now? It played out. And put in its highest low of uptrend. It's probably going to rally to who knows? There's no structures here. There was structure and then played out. And now it's attempting a rally after making all-time highs. And cool. I don't know. I don't know where it's going. Probably higher. It's in an uptrend. Great. All right, moving on. Cat in the chat with hat. Near. Not really great. I don't know. Again, it's like we look for the framework, man. You know the framework, and it's not really here on near. I mean, nice uptrend, certainly. But dude, you're like at an 886, kind of showing a little bit of local distribution above the 200. So it's like some good, some bad. Not looking for that. We're looking for real all good or all bad. And this one's like double tap. Yeah, like looks like almost like Pepe coin a little bit. Like this weird inverse head and shoulders continuation. I'll just tell you this on near. This is the level of levels. If you give a crap about Nia, this is it. If the price stays above 736, you're golden. They're trying to hold it. It's just, I think you're gambling. You're flipping coins if it holds. After a little nice rally, a really nice like V shape almost. You're up here, you're elevated. If it holds, 1037 is your target. If not, it doesn't even matter. Like it could make it could come down to 590, $6. Make a higher low than the April 18th low, and you're fine. You're gonna probably keep going. It's a nice uptrend, man. All right, that's all I can tell you. Nice trend. I wonder if we could conceptualize the trend with a channel. I don't know. Probably not. Not really. I mean, you kind of got that going on, but that doesn't really help. Look, I mean, oversold in the uptrend would be like $5. The 200 moving average is there. A support is there from history. Yeah, it'd probably be a better spot. You can get a confirmation low. There's just not any value here. There's no structures that imply the probability is higher that we're going up next. So I can't sign off on this at all. And I have no idea where it's going. I have no idea where the awesome trade setups are going either. I have no expectations. I just know how to identify something that looks like it's going higher next, but it could fail. Anyway, so meh, near, not, I mean, it's great that it's up and Grayscale's gonna, you know, create a fund for near. That's awesome, but it's not showing the things I really care about. Doesn't mean it can't go up next, all right? Let's go to Horizon for Vincent. Thanks again for the largest contribution of the stream. 73.38 super chat. Oh, Zen, right? You want Zen. Wow. Zen is, okay, Zen is in the category of engine and hot and Filecoin and others. It's beautiful. It actually is fantastic, okay? This is almost actionable. It's a bullish bat pattern pretty much with a type 2. I don't know if it's type 2 or not. A little nebulous down there, but still, it is in the good setup category. You got the M shape. Got a type 1. You might have a type 2, but maybe not. It's like algo and right. It's almost like you have it like that. Maybe. Yes, Zen Horizon looks good. It's value perceived. M shape completed. Maybe they confirm at the bottom. It's kind of like Class B bullish divergence in the RSI. Nothing really on the MACD Instagram though. No help there.
May, the M shape, may.
Thank you for the miss. Thank you, dude. Yep. Megan Zavosity athlete going on this one. Okay. Thanks for the 636 people here. You just wait, man. You're going to see how many people are watching this stream when Bitcoin breaks out of this bull flag around 72K, 71.8. It'll be crazy, man. People will be asking, should I buy? While something like Horizon goes to $13+. But we know aggressive harmonic targeting, 1558. And 1850. All right, you got 3 targets, kind of 1340, 1580, or 1558 and 1850. Okay, there you have it. There is the offshoot chance something like this could happen. Well, that's the wrong tool. Something like this happens. Okay, it could happen, you know. But maybe they're trying to put it in now. It's kind of nebulous down here. If there is an action. See, I don't know if it went deep enough to say it was a peak that was discernible to give us 2 valleys. But great structure. All right, it's worth, you know, documenting in the Citadel. TSLA, that's amazing, dude. I saw your DM, so real quick, big shout out to Eli Hernandez. Thank you for the 4 months of continued support in the Citadel / Patreon. Chris the Piss, thank you for the 11 months of continued support in the Citadel / Patreon. G-Dog, thank you for the 17 months of continued support in the Citadel / Patreon. Crypto Trading Desk, thank you for the 3 months of continued support in the Citadel / Patreon. Hi, I'm in freaking chat. For the people that make this keep going, all right? You're funding the entire community. You do that? Cheers. All right, we have another request, or was that it? Oh yeah, Unix Gaming wanted STX. Stacks. You know, one that doesn't really stick out as anything too great. You know, obviously is not make. I mean, it was a crazy run, man. When they made those crazy runs, they can correct a lot longer. Well, yeah, sitting at the 200 moving average still for days, like over a week now. I mean, that's trading the same price as trading at April 30th. Dude, it's about to be June. So nothing going on, maybe some divergence. And guess what? After the divergence developed, look, no price action. I'm not really liking it. I'm just not really, like, get down to 166. I'll probably feel better because it's an ice line, but still, like from this low to high up here, it could go a lot lower. Yeah, I don't really, I mean, again, there's either, oh, it's actionable for a trade setup with the framework, or it's not actionable. You can manage your risk appropriately or not, and I don't really see either on this. So that's fine though. It doesn't mean it can't go up or down next, right? Not making calls, dude. We don't make calls. That's it. There's probably, I mean, it's a supply line. Oh my God, did they break the supply line? Maybe, dude. Maybe it's a dragon. It's a weird Quasimodo looking dragon. Okay, 1 foot, 2nd foot. Maybe, dude. Maybe that can be. It could go to 269. I'm not saying it can't. All right. Let's go to Anchor for Samir. That was next on deck. Well, can't say Anchor didn't have the dream of dreams, remember? So this one had a really nice run. Didn't have an 886 retrace like a lot, but look here and listen.
Look here. Look, listen.
You got like, oh my God, it's a head and shoulders, right? But the neckline, see this right here is a failed neckline break, right? They created the neckline with the 2 collars, 1 low, you know, the creation of the shoulder, the collar, the head, the 2nd collar that gives you the neckline, then the right shoulder. And here we are testing and testing, and the sellers are failing miserably. So it's kind of endearing to see that. But at least you know the line in the sand on Anchor is 4.1 cents. Below that, you wouldn't want to own it. I think you got a lot lower to fall, like way lower if they don't hold that. But they are holding it, and they're kind of confirming that they're holding it. So either way, like if you own Anchor, Your stop loss would probably want to be at like 4 cents. Just somewhere below that low from May 13th. But if you own it and you're holding it, a failed bearish breakdown can have serious consequences. Yes. All right. Or like think about head and shoulders potentially, but failed. And then it's like, just go back to history. Remember Qualcomm all-time highs today, but just remember, never ever forget, where was it? I don't know. Where was it Qualcomm? Yeah, Qualcomm. All right, so a great example of a failed head and shoulders pattern. All right, they have a neckline, the collars, right? They was like, it's over for Qualcomm, dude. It's over. And had all the makings of it get destroyed. And then what happened? Sellers pushed the price to the neckline, and they failed. They couldn't do it, man. Piercing line reversal occurred September 24th, 2020, and then it was gone. So you got to kind of look at Anchor like that right now. If they can keep the price above it long enough, we're going higher, man. That's all I got to say about that. All right, Red Will, thank you for the 2064 super chat. Oh, I didn't see that. We will look at Harmony 1 to the US dollar tether. This is the most recent request. So I'll be all caught up after this one. Harmony. Wasn't Harmony showing an awesome harmonic-y? Oh my God, dude, it's so wonderful. Bro, this is it. I mean, what do you want from me? Yes, it is showing all the makings of a Velocity athlete. Yes, it's very similar to DOT. Type 1, Type 2, higher low than the previous lows. Just concluded 20 minutes ago. The highest daily candle close confirmed since April 11th. Multi-month highs on Harmony 1. Yes, see you at 2.8 to 3 cents. This one is set up for much higher prices like the handful of others that we've looked at on the stream today. Yes, if you have a break 3, you must remember aggressive harmonic targeting is A and C. CNA gets to TNA. So like 3.5 cents, 3.9 cents. But if it's just a continuation, which it seems like this is just big old Wyckoff accumulation looking A, 5.1 cents if you give it enough time, maybe in a few months. The dream. Looking great, man. Great stuff on Harmony. Imagine a harmonic developing, and the name of the asset is called Harmony. I like that. I'll buy that for $1. Harmonic, yeah, that's it. H-bar, of course, is in that category of beauty. We're waiting. I know it's a little weird. As long as it's above the, as long as it makes a higher low than May 1st low, I think you're good. I think it doesn't matter. I think like H-bar is technically fine till it falls below 7.5 cents. So I'm just not really worried about it. I think this is going to go way higher. It just might take time. And at this point, I really do like Engine and Hot. There's nothing weird about them. See, I could be misidentifying a sign of strength here. Could be just whacked out weird stuff because of the news-driven catalyst. That's what messed it all up. But yeah, I think it's in the category of non-deplorables. K and say kind of in the same good category. It's kind of weird, but kind of beautiful. Type 1, Type 2. Could be headed to 93 cents, 97 cents from here. On deck. Have your alerts set up. They've been trying, man. They really have. Riva's also in that good category. Oh my God, look at it, dude. I know it's a little weird, but it's solid, man. A bullish back test, key levels, making it to where you can manage your risk appropriately. All is here. The stage is set for Reef to get high. Fantastic. My internet got wrecked. stream back? I don't know. We back. I don't know what just happened, dude. Little wardrobe malfunction. Dang, dude, what the heck?
Hey Mitch, can you check out VeChain? Thank you.
VeChain doing things.
Elimination round. Sure, we'll look at VeChain. That wasn't really, it was in an uptrend, it was consolidating, but it wasn't showing the structure, the things we look for. It still looked okay. And continuing, I mean, they're really trying here. And not quite deep enough, not an 886. Not at, I mean, it is holding 3.3 cents, repeating, of course. That high from August 2022, even went and tested that February 2023 high. So they keep it up. I mean, they might be trying to shift the momentum a little bit, but it's, again, I'm not here making calls on things. I'm only here to identify the things by the book, structures by the book. So if you wanted to, you could, right? I mean, it's kind of easy to, all right, I guess I'll set my stop loss at 3 cents, 3.1 cents below this low from May 13th and let it ride. That's about all you can do. Cool story, bro. Elimination round, understand. Thank you for the 20. Cheers. No formal M shape or anything, but nice, you know, this is like a nice little correction. Very controlled, substantially higher low than the previous low. You're in a long-term uptrend with the correction going on. I think higher eventually, just not quite sure when. You could only manage your risk this way, I guess. Oh, we gotta do it, man. Since we got caught up, let's look at GameStop real quick. It's on the title. Up 25%. Wow. We were talking about this. These are the levels, man. The gap fill down here. If you were gonna be degen, this is the best area to be degening. That pull back there, that's solid. So let's see. There's not much here between $23 and $57. So the mania could continue. The insanity. Dude, the asset lost in record time. 72, let's just say 73% of its value in a week. And it might be putting in its first higher low. Yeah, this is how it happens. The first higher low. Maybe some hidden divergence. Oh, hidden bullish divergence maybe on GME, man. All right, well, I've been live an hour and a half now, and I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go eat. 3-week Chewbacca. Oh my God, you're right. Dude, look at this. It's a 3-week Rising 3 methods. Hype in the chat. Wow. You gotta really be looking around for this thing. Nice job, Chewbacca. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Woo! Thanks so much. Do you see it? It is beautiful. Continuation pattern. Setting up for all-time highs. You won't believe it. On ETH, it's 5K like it was nothing. That's right, laugh it up, fuzzball. All right. That's a pretty cool thing to end it on. A 3-week chart, whatever. You had to really look for that. Mania looms. We just don't know exactly when it'll start. Might have to wait till, you know, the summertime sadness is over. You know, like low liquidity, low volume. Might have to crescendo in autumn as it does all the time. And yeah, y'all just enjoy the rest of y'all's evening. Good to be back in the battle station. First battle station stream in a while. So I'll just be back. Till next time. Respect.
That is gay.
The T. A.
Fight.